Hey guys, it's Leah Kane back with another video. Today I'm doing a face mask because as you guys can see, my face is really bad. So I'm just going to simply do a face mask. I'm going to start off with my Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Powder along with my organic apple cider vinegar. I am also going to get a bowl to mix the two in. I'm going to go ahead and pour the powder along with my apple cider vinegar. Basically, you will measure how much powder and apple cider vinegar to use by making sure that when you mix it together, it gives you a very thick and smooth consistency. As you guys can see, while I'm mixing it, I am getting that very smooth feel. So you'll just continue adding apple cider vinegar along with the powder just so that you can get that thick, smooth consistency. So now I'm going to start off with applying the mask to my face. You guys can use anything to apply your mask with. I'm not sure where I got this, honestly, but I use this to apply my mask. So this is one good tool. If you guys have anything like this, that'll be very great to apply. Anything will help. Sometimes I use my fingers to apply. It's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and continue applying the mask. I decided to apply a very thick layer on my face. I find it better to apply a thinner layer because at the end it will make it dry faster. It took longer for my mask to dry simply because I applied a very thick layer. As you guys can see, the thinner the layer, the better. When I mixed the apple cider vinegar and powder, I ended up having a lot of product left over, so I tried to use as much as possible so that I won't waste it. But yeah, I'm just going to simply just apply the mask. I'm applying a thick layer. It doesn't really matter how thick or thin you do it. It only matters when it's time to dry. So now the mask is complete. I'm just basically gonna wait for it to dry, take a couple selfies because I look very beautiful with my mask on, you know, hashtag mask beauty. After 20 minutes of having the mask sit on, you guys can see that it's drying and it's cracking. Your face gets really tight once it starts to dry. So you guys can see like the cracks because I was trying to talk and you know, it's very tight. So I'm just going to let it sit on my face for about another 20 minutes and then I'm just going to wipe it off. I used a regular washcloth and warm water to wipe the mask off my face. So now you guys can see the mask is completely off. So I'm going to go in with my witch hazel rose petal along with my cotton pads. And I'm going to tone my face out with the witch hazel, getting all the excess off. One thing that I also noticed with the mask is when the mask comes off, my face gets really red. So if your face gets really red, it's normal. Now I'm going to go in with my jojoba oil and apply this oil to my face. And this is basically leaving me with a very smooth, clean, pretty, refreshing face. Now I'm completely done. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And do not forget to turn on your post notifications for upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Have a great day.